UX flows are crucial for guiding users seamlessly through an app, enhancing usability and engagement. This video demonstrates creating a user flow for a mobile app onboarding process, visualized through wireframes. To speed up the process, we'll use a ready-made sign-in and sign-up user flow template in MockFlow's Wireframing Editor. Let's start by linking the Forgot Password option to its respective screen. To create a flow, make sure each component is toggled to flow mode. Then, connect the arrow from Forgot Password to the screen where users enter their email or phone number. Next, we'll connect the Sign Up button to the Create Account screen. If users decide to go back, link the Back button to return them to the sign-in screen. If users enter their phone number and click Send, they'll receive a verification code. Use an arrow connector to link the Send button to the password verification screen. Once an account is created, users will be taken to the account verification screen. Link the Create Account button to the account verification screen. Here, they'll enter a code to verify their account. After successful verification, users will proceed to the login screen. Connect the Verify button on the account verification screen in this step. For password resets, when users confirm their new password on the Change Password screen, they should be redirected back to Sign In. Use an arrow connector from the Confirm button to the Sign In screen. Similarly, after entering the verification code and clicking Verify, users should be directed to the Change Password screen. Link the Verify button to the Change Password page. Just using arrow connectors can be confusing. To make navigation clearer, add labels to each connector. Use arrow customization settings to ensure the labels are visible. MockFlow also offers an animated arrow feature. This helps visually demonstrate how users move through the onboarding process. Repeat these steps for all arrows, ensuring each flow is properly labeled for easy identification. And that's it. We've successfully created a user flow for a mobile app onboarding process. Everything is neatly connected, making it easy to understand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wireframing tutorials and UX tips. See you in the next video.